Good day. Today I would like to tell you about setting up Trimble Access survey styles. There's a number of different survey styles that can be set up, as you can see in my list below. Today I'm going to focus on TrigNet Single Base, and that is for when you are using an N-trip caster, which TrigNet is, and you need a single base. You're outside of a VRS area, and you are within 50 kilometers of that single base. So most importantly, start off at rover options. We choose RTCM RTK from the drop-down menu, choose the relevant receiver that you have, and whether you want to use the tilt function or not. I like to add in all the constellations, however, we are currently only using GPS and GLONASS in South Africa. The next aspect is the rover data link. Choose controller internet. This could either be a Wi-Fi hotspot, either from your phone or a Wi-Fi caster in the area. Setting up the TrigNet GNSS correction source. I'll just edit mine. Use N-trip. Check that box. You can check to correct directly to a mount point. However, I suggest to leave it on no, and it'll show the list of all the closest base stations to you. From the TrigNet website, you can type in your username and password over here, and very important to use this IP address and IP port over there. And that's the most important aspects of setting it up. We don't use base options or base data link. Setting up your topo point can be set up like this, and that's very much depending on how you would like to survey. QC1 and QC2, there's a bit of a description linked below that will just tell you about that, and hopefully you'll understand a little bit more about that. Observe control point, I like to leave it at 30 measurements, and I'll leave my auto tolerance on. Running through rapid point, continuous point, and stakeout. The only one that I change is design name, and I change it to last code used. You've got a lot of options where you can edit and go through and change what you're going to just see on the controller screen. Site calibration, I like to use constant adjustment only, as inclined plane, if used incorrectly or you don't understand inclined planes, you could incur errors into your survey. And that's a simple method of how to set up a TrigNet Single Base survey style.